Welcome to the Creating Multi-Select Questions in the Question Library demo. First, log in to your Desire to Learn account and go into your course. On the course navigation bar, click on the Assessments link. Notice the icons with the options that you have on the assessment tool. Click on the Question Library icon. Now we are going to create new questions in this section. Click on the section name. From the Create New drop-down menu, click on the type of question you want to create. To create a multi-select question, pick that option and click the Go button. This is a multiple choice question where the student can pick more than one right answer. You can leave the title of the question blank. Doing so will make the question's text show up as the title. You can leave the points value set to 1. This number can be changed later when you create your assessment. Click in the question text field and enter your question. Example: which of the following are odd numbers? If you want to add an image to go along with this question, click the Add File button and locate the image on your computer using the Browse button, and then click the Upload button. For this question, under Enumeration, pick the style you want to use. The common choice is A, B, C, D. For style, you can have the answers show up vertically or horizontally. For grading, you have the options All or Nothing, Right minus Wrong, or Correct Answers. If you want the question graded with partial credit, choose one of the other two options. Under the Value column, enter in the choices you want to show up for the question. Answers are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you need to add more choices, enter the number of choices you want to make in the Add option field and click the Add option text. 5. This question has 5 choices and 3 of them are correct. Under the Correct column, check the boxes for the right answers. Note that the correct answer would be A, C, and E. If a student answered with A, B, E, let's look at the grade the student will receive using each grading option. Using the All or Nothing choice, the answer is either all correct or wrong. If the student didn't get all of the answers, so they are scored as 0 for this question. For the other two choices, the student can get partial credit. Each question choice is worth 1/5 of the points because there are 5 answers. An answer that was supposed to be chosen, here A, C, and E, and was chosen is counted right. An answer that wasn't supposed to be chosen, here B and D, and wasn't chosen is also counted right. In this example, of the 5 question answers, the student chose 3 right, A, E, and D, and 2 wrong answers, B and C. Using the right minus wrong option, the student will score 3/5 minus 2/5, which equals 1/5 of the points for that question, or 20%. Using the correct answers option, the student will score 3/5 of the points, or 60%. If you want the answer choices to be randomized each time the question is loaded, make sure that the Randomize option field is checked. Note: do not use this option if one of your choices refer to answer placement, such as all of the above. If you wish to give feedback at the end of the assessment, you may enter in feedback next to each choice. If you wish to give feedback to all students at the end of the assessment about this question, enter the feedback in the feedback question box. When you are finished making changes, click the Save button in the top or bottom right-hand corner, and you will return to the section list. If you want to create another question very similar to this one, click on the Save and Copy button. That will save this question and create another one with all of this question's information, so that you can just edit this information instead of retyping it again. If you want to create another question of the same type, click on the Save and New button. That will save this question and give you a new blank question of this question type. You have now successfully created a multi-select question in the question library.